In front of me I've got Black Shark 5. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change color scheme between light and dark. Also we can schedule dark mode and adjust wallpaper to dark mode and text and backgrounds automatically. Next we can change brightness level of the display manually via automatic brightness, or we can enable or disable sunlight mode. Next we can enable or disable reading mode between classic or paper. Also we can schedule it. Next we can change color scheme between saturated, natural, standard or custom. Then we can change refresh rate between ultimate, ultra high and standard, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.